Conversation practice. Knock yourself out. Meaning, go ahead and do whatever you want or help yourself. Hey, mind if I take the last slice of pizza?
Knock yourself out. I'm too full to eat anymore.
Awesome. I've been eyeing this piece for the last 10 minutes.
You and your never-ending appetite. I don't know where all that food goes.
What can I say? I have a fast metabolism.
Lucky you. If I ate like you, I'd probably gain 10 pounds in a week.
Well, you could always join me at the gym. Knock yourself out with some intense workouts.
Ha, no thanks. I prefer my workouts to be more relaxing.
Like what? Yoga.
Exactly. Stretching and deep breathing. Now that's my kind of exercise.
Suit yourself. But if you ever want to lift some weights, just let me know.
Sure, and if you ever want to meditate and find inner peace, knock yourself out.
I think I'll pass. Sitting still for too long drives me crazy.
That explains why you never sit down during meetings.
Exactly. I need to move around, or I feel trapped.
I guess we're just built differently.
Yeah, but that's what makes our friendship fun. You get me to slow down sometimes, and I get you to be a little more active.
True, balance is everything.
Speaking of balance, do you want to split dessert? Or should I knock myself out and finish it alone?
Oh, you're on your own, buddy. Enjoy.
Bend over backwards. Meaning, to make a great effort to help someone or to do something.
I swear, I bend over backwards to help my coworkers, but sometimes it feels like they don't even appreciate it.
I get what you mean. You're always the first to volunteer when someone needs help.
Exactly, just last week, I stayed late to finish Sarah's report because she was behind, and she didn't even say thank you.
That's frustrating. Some people just take kindness for granted.
It's not just her. I also covered for Tom when he missed his deadline, and now he acts like it never happened.
Wow, you really do bend over backwards for everyone. Maybe it's time to set some boundaries.
I know, but I don't want to seem unhelpful. I just wish people would reciprocate once in a while.
That's the thing. The more you do for people, the more they expect it.
You're right. I feel like I'm always saying yes, even when I'm overwhelmed.
Maybe next time, let them figure it out on their own. You don't have to carry everyone's workload.
I guess I just like being dependable, but it's exhausting.
It's okay to be reliable, but not at the cost of your own well-being.
Yeah, I should learn to say no sometimes. I just don't want to disappoint anyone.
Trust me, the right people will respect you more if you set boundaries.
I hope so, because right now, it feels like I'm doing all the work while others take the credit.
That's the worst. And if you keep bending over backwards, they'll just keep expecting it.
Maybe I should start prioritizing myself more.
Exactly. Helping is great, but not when it leaves you drained.
Thanks, Jake. I needed to hear that.
Anytime. Now, go take a break. You've earned it. Get in a stew. Meaning, to become very anxious or worried. You always get in a stew over the smallest things.
I can't help it, deadlines stress me out.
I get that, but panicking won't help you finish faster.
Easy for you to say. You never seem to worry about anything.
That's because I plan ahead. You always wait until the last minute.
I know, but no matter how hard I try, I always end up in a stew.
Well, take a deep breath and break it down into smaller tasks.
I guess that makes sense, but what if I still run out of time?
Then at least you'll know you tried your best instead of just stressing out.
I wish I could be as calm as you. My brain just goes into overdrive.
That's because you let anxiety take over before even starting.
Maybe, but this project is so overwhelming.
Then focus on what you can control instead of getting in a stew.
All right, I'll try. But what if I mess up?
Then you learn from it. Nobody gets everything perfect the first time.
I guess you're right. I just hate feeling this much pressure.
Pressure is normal, but don't let it paralyze you.
Okay, I'll start working on it now before I freak out again.
Good. And if you need help, just ask instead of stewing over it.
Thanks, I'll try to stay calm this time.
Cotton on. Meaning, to begin to understand something.
It took me a while, but I finally cottoned on to what Sarah was really up to.
Oh, what do you mean?
At first, I thought she was just being extra nice, but then I realized she was only doing it when she needed something.
Wait, are you saying she's been using you?
Pretty much. She always asked for my help with reports, and I thought she just needed guidance.
And then it clicked that she was just avoiding the work herself?
Exactly. Every time I explained things, she'd somehow convince me to do half of it.
Wow, that's sneaky. I can't believe I didn't notice it before.
Neither did I, but once I saw the pattern, it was impossible to ignore.
I guess that's why she's always so charming with new employees. She knows they won't suspect anything.
That's what I thought too. She picks people who are too polite to say no.
So, what are you going to do about it?
I've already started saying no to her requests. Funny thing is, she stopped talking to me as much.
That says a lot, doesn't it? If she really valued your friendship, nothing would change.
Exactly. But honestly, I feel relieved. I was tired of doing extra work for no reason.
I should start paying more attention too. Who knows how many people she's tricked?
Yeah, keep an eye out. Once you see the pattern, it's hard to unsee it.
Thanks for the heads up. I won't fall for it now that I know what to watch for.
Good. No one likes being played for a fool.
Please subscribe, like, share and comment, and see you in the next video. Thank you.